Four, three, two, one. Go.
So I'm going to show you how to do a barbell bench press. You could do this with dumbbells also. I almost prefer dumbbells better because you can get a little bit of a deeper stretch in this movement compared to a barbell, but either one works. So I'm going to start with a barbell. You can do a straight barbell. I'm going to use my easy curve barbell here. The first step you want to do when you're going to do a bench press is you want to contract your lat muscles. We talked about this in the lat pull down. So how we do this is think about putting your shoulders up, back, down. Now our shoulders are engaged, our lats are engaged, and it's going to give a nice curve to our back. This one, you want your back to curve. You don't want your full back to be touching the complete bench here. And then we're also going to be using our legs. You probably didn't think about you use your legs in a bench press, but you do. So we're going to get them back as far as we can and pin our toes here. And we're going to use almost like a pushing forward motion, like pushing us back into the bench. And that's going to help us have more power. So again, we're going to up, back, down, and then we're going to lay down on the bench. Now, when you lay down on the bench, you're supposed to have a bar above you here, but I don't have that kind of equipment. I could move my squat rack over, but I don't want to do that every time. So I just get my bar with me. Now I'm in this position, but my lats are not contracted, so I'm going to contract those, and I'm going to push my feet into the ground. Now, we don't want our elbows to flare out. We want them at about a 45-degree angle, and then we're going to press up. And think about bending the bar. That's going to pull our elbows in, and it's going to engage our lats, our back muscles more, and then come down at a 45-degree angle and press up, and then slow on the eccentric, slow and controlled. Explosive and slow and controlled. Almost pinning our shoulder blades into the bench behind us. So you kind of want to open that up. They think about stretching your chest out because we want that motion. We want our chest, this is a chest workout, so we want our chest to be stretched. So now I'm going to show you with dumbbells here. Again, we don't want our elbows flared out. We want them about a 45-degree angle. And this is the same motion, up, back, down, pin our shoulder blades to the bench, get our feet positioned and digged in, and then our elbows. See how you can go so much farther? Don't want our dumbbells to be coming way up here and then way down here. Think about doing a straight line, up and down.